we have learned that it's purely which is reflected on the manufacturing, trading, or profit and loss account will be considered as revenue, and remaining what expenses are reflected on the asset will be considered as capital. That is the null set, because we know there are other feature of capital expenditure also which gives a long run benefit. And there are approx 40 students who have attended yesterday's lecture. So I wanted to make you clear, kindly be in touch with them. They will be the right mentor for you guys. And I have asked them to do it with their own. And I have asked them if they will face any difficulties, then they can get back to me. Am I right? The student who have attended yesterday's extended lecture.
Yes.
Okay. So that was the things which has been even assigned as an assignment to all. Yes, already yesterday we have discussed. So there are three types of expenditure: capital, revenue, and deferred revenue expenditure. Two types of receipt: capital and revenue, and two types of profit and loss: either revenue profit and loss or capital gain or capital loss. Am I right? So these many concepts has been already discussed and deliberated during extended lecture. Many of you are just sake for attending. You are coming, you are not participating. That's why you are losing all this. So kindly be very attentive. Today again, as we have decided, first we will discuss one question and then we will go for closing entries, etc. Yes or no? So now let us do this question. Again, there is an opening stock of raw material. Where to be posted? Quickly, all of you. We are reading the trial balance.
Manufacturing account, debit side.
Manufacturing account.
Opening stock of WIP.
Manufacturing debit. Manufacturing debit.
Finished goods opening stock.
Trading debit.
Trading debit.
Purchase of raw material.
Manufacturing debit.
Manufacturing debit.
Production royalty.
Asset.
Production royalty. This is to produce the good, you are paying the royalty. It's not royalty. Okay, it is an expense where it will be reflected.
Manufacturing debit.
Manufacturing debit. Direct wages.
Manufacturing debit.
Manufacturing debit. Factory rent.
Manufacturing debit.
Manufacturing debit. Factory power and fuel.
Manufacturing debit.
Machinery.
Fixed assets.
Asset. Fixed.
Sales.
Trading credit.
Trading credit.
Office expense.
P&L debit.
P&L debit.
Cash at bank.
Current
Current
asset.
asset.
Super. But I'm finding only few students are responding. What about others? Others should also respond. Creditors.
Current liability.
Current liability.
At the same time, I think yesterday only I told them, you can start doing your questions which are there in the textbook. Okay. So please try to do it with your own. Next week, your internals are starting, so you should have the thorough knowledge of this topic. Bad dates.
P&L debit. P&L debit.
Provision for bad dates.
Less from
P&L debit.
Yes, formula. P&L debit. Sundry debtors.
current asset.
Current assets.
Capital.
Liability.
Liability.
Drawings.
Asset from capital.
From capital. Office salary.
P&L debit.
P&L debit.
Advertisement.
P&L debit.
So you need to also speak that office salary is office and administrative expenses, advertisement is selling and distribution expenses. This all is going to help us in a great way. Interest.
PNL debit.
PNL debit.
Discount allowed
PNL debit.
in this table.
Creditors.
Current liability.
Current liability.
So these are trial balance which has been done. Now the adjustment, closing stock, raw material, WIP, finished goods. What will be the effect?
Manufacturing debit and trading debit and balance sheet asset side.
Manufacturing credit अगर बोलोगे, okay,
Sorry,
debit में से minus होगा. Asset बोला means you are giving debit effect. The next effect should be credit effect. So manufacturing or trading credit and current assets. Depreciate machinery 6% per annum.
Less from machinery, manufacturing debit.
Finished goods withdrawn for personal usage.
Trading credit, profit and loss debit.
No, not profit and loss debit. It should be added to
Drawing.
drawing. Drawing. It's not
Less
business.
from,
Add
less
to-
from.
less
Less
from capital or add to drawing. Provision for RDD 10% on debtors.
Less from debtors and add to
Plus
bad
new
debt.
RDD.
Yes. Add to formula.
So this is a discount, right? In this case, RDD.
No, we will consider it as provision for doubtful debts only. Because all RDD, old RDD is there, no? Alternatively, even though you can take discount, there won't be any difference in the profit or answer. Answer will remain as it is. Outstanding advertisement expenses.
Current liability and add to advertisement.
Absolutely right. So we have completed first step, second step. Now we'll be doing third step format. So go for format. Make manufacturing account. (15 lines) as usual. 15 to 16 लाइन का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बनाना है आपने. Trading and P&L. Trading will be of 6 lines. P&L will be of again 18 lines. And balance sheet will be of 15 lines. So dear students who have not attended yesterday's session, I am making it very clear. There is another topic which is at the beginning of this chapter known as capital and revenue expenditure. This is purely theory chapter, but conceptually you should know the concept of financial accounting. So that has been discussed yesterday. Still, if you are unable to understand, please feel free to contact any of us. Am I right or not? कितने जन कल अटेंड किए थे? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड सो अदर स्टूडेंट विल बी अवेयर कि भाई उनसे बात कर लेनी है, उनसे पूछ लेनी है. प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. तो जिनको भी इस टॉपिक में तकलीफ होगा, दीज आर योर मेंटर्स. ठीक है, दे हैव अटेंडेड एंड स्टिल देयर वर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स. इसके अलावा भी बच्चे थे. Almost 40 students were there. So get connected with them. Yes. So, thank you. Even next week we will be discussing this chapter only. When you have your this financial accounting paper,
Tomorrow, sir.
23rd.
बोलिए उत्तरी शाबाश. And your exam, C1 exam कब तक है? 23rd to
29th.
30th.
still vacation है. फिर 31st से तो vacation ही आ रहा है. In vacation also there will be lectures, हाँ? आपके लिए lectures रहेंगे. ऐसे मत बनाओ, तुम लोगों ने तालीम में बहुत मजा किया, कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है. अभी तो पढ़ाई चालू है सितंबर से. इस समय तो मजा नहीं लाई थी. Okay, let's do it in a faster pace. So start with the opening stock. I told you we'll have to take first opening stock of WIP because raw material consumed लिखते हैं हम लोग. Then opening stock of raw material which will come as a part of raw material consumed. Then opening stock of finished goods trading debit. Okay. Then purchase of raw material add to opening stock of raw material as a part of raw material consumed. Yes or no? Production royalty, manufacturing debit. Royalty मत लिखो, नहीं तो confusion होगा. Production royalty. Then direct wages, manufacturing debit. Then factory rent, manufacturing debit. Then factory power and fuel, manufacturing debit. Then machinery, asset, fixed asset. Adjustment, so inner column. Then sales, trading credit. Then office expense, P&L debit. Office and administrative expense. Then cash at bank, current asset. Current asset, first will be data, please pay in cash at bank. Then creditors, current liability. Then bad debts, P&L debit as a part of selling expense. Provision for bad debts, the part of formula. Let us write all the formula. मैंने पहले लिस्ट कर दिया एक्चुअली. You write first this, okay, and then less करो तो भी चलेगा. Answer will not go. Next, sundry debtors, current assets, adjustment inner column, capital, liability, drawings, less from capital, office salary, P&L debit as an office and administrative expenses, advertisement, selling and distribution expense, inner column, why advertisement has adjustment outstanding का, interest, financial expense, after 2 lines, discount allowed, selling and distribution expense, bills payable, current liability. So we did the posting of trial balance item. Just verify whether you have done these postings or not. Manufacturing as WIP, raw material purchase, production royalty, wages, factory rent and factory power. है? Are you getting these items?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then in trading, opening and sales. That's it. Only 2 items. P&L we have office and admin expenses, office expense, office salary, selling and distribution, bad dates and advertisement, along with discount allowed, and financial expense, interest. Hey, all this, just verify.
Yes, sir.
Next is balance sheet. In fixed asset, we have machinery with adjustment, current asset debtor with adjustment, cash, capital drawings again adjustment, current liability creditors and bills payable. Done. Should we proceed with adjustments now? Closing stock of raw material. Raw material consumed. So the net effect of raw material is 1,21,000. Are you getting the same? 16 plus 123 minus 18, 121. Okay. Closing stock of WIP, manufacturing credit. Closing stock of finished goods, trading credit. Second effect, current asset. All closing stock. First effect in manufacturing or trading, second effect in balance sheet current assets. Clear है? Next, depreciation on machinery. First effect again less from machinery. 5% of 1 lakh. How much? 5,000.
5,000.
The net effect of machinery, outer column 95,000. Second effect, manufacturing debit. Manufacturing debit. Next, finished goods withdrawn for personal usage. Trading credit. Goods withdrawn. And drawing. Goods withdrawn. Provide RDD 10% on debtors. Less from debtors. 10%. $5,500. The debtors will be 49,500. Second, add to formula. So what is the net effect of that debt? 4,000 minus 2,000, so 7,500. Outstanding advertisement. Add to advertisement. Add to expense. The advertisement will be of 20,000. And second, current liability. So what the adjustment effect has been given. Now after adjustment, just verify this is the situation of your manufacturing. Just check all these items are there or not. And try to get me the cost of production. Which will transfer to trading account.
So 2,15,000.
What is the total?
2,22,000.
All of you are getting manufacturing total as 2,22,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the cost of production will be
$1,000.
2,15,000. Correct? It will transfer here in trading debit. That's why it is written here.
Gross profit 1,23,000.
Total of trading account.
$3,49,000.
So the gross profit 123 is right. carried down. It will be brought forward here. Brought down 123.
$27,500 net profit.
Total
1,23,000. And gross profit is 27,500.
gross profit or net profit?
Net profit
Net
is 27,500.
Which will be added to capital. So the total of capital is
186,500. 1,86,500.
galat jawab. All need not have to add it.
Sir,
Drawings to be subtracted.
sir, total of capital is 1,44,500.
सही जवाब. इसमें सारा add
Yes,
कर
sir.
दिया.
1,44,500.
तो माइनस है ना, ड्राइंग माइनस है, गुड्स विड्रॉन माइनस है, ये डिडक्ट करना है. Now take the total, your balance sheet should tally. Outer column का total लेंगे, it should tally.
सर एडवर्टाइजिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग के हमने 2 किए थे ना, एक तो हमने P&L में किया था
और दूसरा
और दूसरा
current
बैलेंस शीट में करना है ना.
ठीक है, करंट
हाँ,
आउटपुट.
लिखा है.
Sir, balance sheet total 1,86,500.
1,86,500. Same.
You are manually totaling or you are totaling with calculator now?
Calculators.
So by
Because now calculators are allowed, so you should know how to operate calculator. And soon it will be offline. ठीक है, बहुत घर में मस्ती कर लिया. So kindly make all these habits. So yes, today's question, even though it was lengthy, still we could able to do it within 30 minutes. Okay, all of you have done it,
Yes, sir.
or majority of you.
Yes,
Then-
sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Then I'm ending this meeting because next thing what we are going to learn is closing and adjustment entry, which is very integral part of final account, but to be learned separately. Okay, so kindly join with the same link.
सर थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करो ना, क्वेश्चन का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
यही तो क्वेश्चन है, छोटा करना पड़ेगा. और क्वेश्चन ये मत लो ना, टेक्स्ट बुक में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं, तो कुछ ज्यादा ही छोटा है.
सर ये वाले क्वेश्चंस के PDF में है ना ये वाले क्वेश्चन?
नहीं है. ये सब एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन थे।
So for theory part, we can मतलब MCQ चलेंगे PDF से, हम और भी कुछ go through करें.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आप सिर्फ थ्योरी पढ़ो, आप सब आंसर कर सकते हो, वेदर इट इज थ्योरी क्वेश्चन और प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन। कंसेप्ट समझो, कहीं से भी पढ़ो। इवन ऑन माय वेबसाइट देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ अदर बुक्स, यू रेफर एनीवन, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, so now
Thank you, sir.
can I close this meeting?
Yes, sir.